Instructions. Some mutants have taken all the Ninja Turtles' weapons. Find your missing items and do not let them terrorize New York City. Run in place, dodge the obstacles, and fight the villains. Follow your Ninja Turtle instincts. Jump. Slide to the side. Duck. Slide to the side. Duck. Jump. Punch the villain. Well done, these are the items found. It's quiz time. Which of these is not a bandana color the TMNT commonly wear? Choose and do the yoga pose. Swing.
Ready or not, here I come. Turtles, let's kick some shell. This comes some turtle power. Let's go. Extra, read all about how shredder and crack rat that's without a doubt. Here's a little story I like to tell about four youngsters coming out of their shells. You might be wondering what this one's come to. Talking turtles all first and come through. Straight from the sewers, making maneuvers in New York City, bringing it to wrong.
Punch the villain.
Veteran thinker, trained under the watchful eye of Splinter. Leatherhead, strong but he's reckless. Next to Michelangelo, he ain't twisted. Harder, fearless leader, and think of a long time and needs him. The only thing that'll flood is hunger, and if you with me, yell cowabunga. Let's go. It's not over yet.
Punch the villain. Well done, these are the items found. It's quiz time. Who is the Ninja Turtles' adoptive father? Choose and do the yoga pose. Well done, these are the items found. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.